Your brakes are one of the most important safety systems on your vehicle, and knowing when they need to be serviced can keep you safe on the road. These are the signs that it may be time to replace your brakes. Sign number 1, squeaking or grinding sounds. If you hear a high-pitched squeal or grinding sound when stopping, that means your brake pads may be worn. It's best to get these replaced soon to prevent any further damage. If you feel shaking or vibrations at the steering wheel or the brake pedal, it could mean that your rotors are worn or uneven. Smooth braking should always feel responsive and controlled. Modern Jaguar vehicles are designed to warn you when your braking system needs inspection. If you see the warning light on your dashboard, it's best to take it to a certified technician to check out and see if there's anything wrong with your vehicle. At Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service, our certified technicians use factory Jaguar parts for every repair on your vehicle. Schedule your service today with Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service by visiting jaguarnapervilleauthorizedservice.com.